Hey there, little farmers. Are you ready for a trip to the farm? We're going to meet some amazing animals and learn about their favorite foods and adorable baby names. Let's get started. Hi, Moo Typhal Cow. This is Daisy. She loves munching on fresh green grass. And guess what?
Her cute little baby is called a calf.
Meet Pinky the pig. Pinky's favorite treat is delicious corn.
And look at her sweet piglet rolling in the mud. That's a piggy.
Cluck, cluck. Here's Clucky the chicken. Clucky enjoys pecking at grains like corn and wheat.
Oh, and her fluffy chicks? Those are called chicks too.
Ba. Say hello to Woolly the sheep. Woolly's best meal is fresh hay.
And those fluffy bundles by her side, they're little lambs.
Meet Sandy the horse. Sandy loves to munch on carrots.
And her playful baby, that's a foal, trotting around with so much energy.
Quack, quack. Here's Daffy the duck. Daffy's favorite is pondweed.
And her tiny ducklings waddling behind, those are ducklings too.
This is Gertie the goat. Gertie adores chewing on hay.
And her cute little one. It's called Kit.
Hop, hop. Say hi to Ruby the rabbit. Ruby nibbles on crunchy carrots.
And this adorable baby bunny, it's called Kit.
Woof, woof. Meet Max the farm dog. Max is a good friend, and he's always around to help.
His cute puppy, it's simply called Puppy.
Meow. Here's Whiskers the farm cat. Whiskers enjoys a good dish of cat food.
And her playful kittens, they're simply called kittens.
And there you have it, little farmers. A trip to the farm meeting these fantastic animals. Wasn't that a farm-tastic adventure?